Hello, grade 5. Here we are again. Our reading skill for today is sequence of events. This skill we already took before, so now we're going to have a quick review over it. Okay, sequence of events, as we already said. What do we mean by sequence? Whenever you hear about sequence, means order. Okay, so what is the sequence of events? It's the order in which things happen in a story. Okay, the words to use in sequencing when you want to put events in order. Okay, you usually use clue words to show the sequence, to show what happened first, what happened second, what happened then, what happened later, what happened in the end. So these are some of the clue words that we might use. First, second, next, last, then, finally, before, after, at night, in the morning. All these, they show the time of doing an action, the time of happening of an event. Okay, let's have an example here. If you want to make a cake, for example, first I prepare the ingredients. The ingredients I mean, or we mean, the things or the stuff that you need to make the cake, like flour, oil, milk. Okay. Second, I mix the eggs with the sugar and milk. Then I add the flour and baking powder. Finally, okay, when I say finally, I know that this is the last event or the last action that will happen. Okay, so finally I put them in the oven to be baked after 20 minutes. Okay, I hope this is clear. I know that you know these and you should know these information as long as we already took them before in class and we worked on them several times. Clear? Now on the practice book, here is the page. Let's do it together. We have a short story. I will read it with you, and then we need to arrange these events in order from 1 to 6. Okay, so Rocco and Tori decided to make popcorn for their friends who had come to watch their new tape. Following their parents' directions, they used 1/2 cup of corn and 2 tablespoons of oil. It didn't look like there would be enough popcorn for 12 hungry boys and girls. Rocco and Tori didn't know what to do. I think we need to add more corn, said Rocco. What do you think? That makes sense. After all, there are 4 times as many people eating the popcorn than when Mom and Dad make it. Maybe we should add 4 times as much, said Tori. Rocco agreed, so they added 4 times the amount of corn and oil. They waited until they heard the corn start to pop, and then they joined their friends. Soon, the sound of the corn popping drowned out the movie. It sounded like the fireworks on the 4th of July. Everyone ran into the kitchen. The popcorn was pushing the lid off the pot. Popcorn was bouncing all over the kitchen. The family dog, Romper, began jumping up to catch the popcorn. Trying to catch the popcorn in paper cups, everyone started laughing. There was popcorn everywhere. No one could catch the popcorn fast enough. And then Rocco and Tori's parents walked in. Okay, so whenever you have a story or a paragraph and you have sentences to put in order, the first thing you do, okay, is to read the sentences you are given. Then try to find them in the text and underline each story you find. Okay, each sentence you find, you underline it. In this way, you will have the exact order of sentences. So see here, what's the first sentence you underlined? Rocco and Tori decided to make popcorn for their friends. Look at it. It's here. Number 1. Rocco and Tori decided to make popcorn for their friends. Where is the second sentence you found? Maybe we should add 4 times as much. Where is number 2? Look at it. Tori says that they should add 4 times as much popcorn. The third one. It sounded like the fireworks on the 4th of July. Number 3. Here is number 3. The popping corn sounded like 4th of July fireworks. 4. The popcorn was pushing the lid off the pot. Here is number 4. The popping corn pushed the lid right off the pot. Number 5. The family dog Grumper began jumping up to catch the popcorn. And number 6. The final one. And then Rocco and Tori's parents walked in. Look at it. Rocco and Tori's parents walked into the kitchen. Is that clear? I hope you do well. Okay. From here, the skill is finished. Sequence of events. We are done. Revise. Okay. Read the introduction, please. Read it. Revise it. And redo this exercise by yourself. Clear? From here, I want to show you the paragraph that you have to study for dictation. Okay, for dictation, it will be from soon until enough. From soon until enough. Okay, so I hope you study well. From soon until enough, you have to study it for dictation. Thank you.